Hi and welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome to my channel. As you guys can see from the title, today I'm going to be talking all about the CMA exam and my exam results, how I felt leading up to the exam day, did I pass the exam or not, and stuff like that. And if you guys have missed any of my previous videos about the CMA exam or becoming a credentialed medical assistant, I will have a playlist linked down below for you guys. I have turned it kind of into a little bit of a series, and a ton of you have been waiting quite some time for me to do the video on when I actually take the exam, because I've done videos on how I'm studying, which exam I'm taking, the difference between the two exams, and stuff like that. So that is what today's video is going to be all about. So I took the exam back on Friday, September 20th at 9 a.m. And I actually have a bunch of vlog clips leading up to the actual exam. I think I have a clip from when I registered to take the exam. Hey guys, so we're gonna ignore my appearance. It is August 25th, and I just did something big. I just registered to take the CMA exam. I'm taking it in less than a month. I'm taking it on Friday, September 20th. I am so nervous, and I really want to document from my registration up until I take the exam and then my thoughts after the exam as well. I just think that would be kind of cool. So you're gonna probably get a bunch of random clips of iPhone footage where I may not look my best, but that's okay. I am not sure if I'm ready for this. I mean, I've been studying for months, but I'm still wicked scared. I have test anxiety. I'm really scared that I'm not gonna pass even though I know the information. And I think the scariest thought about it is that it is in less than a month. But hey, if I don't pass the first time, I can always just take it again. No big deal. I'm trying not to put too much pressure on myself. So let the journey begin. My thoughts a few days beforehand. Hey guys, so it is September 19th, which means tomorrow I'm taking my exam. I'm kind of freaking out. I drank a venti coffee yesterday at 6 p.m. so that I could stay up all night last night studying, so that today during the day I can take the time to relax and pamper myself. I'm probably gonna do a nice bath bomb, a face mask, who knows what else, but I have no plans of studying today. Now, some of you might think that's crazy, but you're not supposed to cram before an exam, and I'm as ready as I'll be. So today I'm gonna focus on me and some self-care. Honestly, I am freaking out on the inside that my exam's tomorrow. I also wanted to stay up last night so that tonight I can go to bed early and hopefully actually sleep. Will it actually work? Who knows? Thoughts the day of. So the day has finally come. It is Friday, September 20th, and I am taking my exam today. I am taking it at 9 o'clock. I need to be at the testing center by 8:30 to check in. I actually slept good. I'm thinking my whole drinking a huge coffee, staying up all night the night before worked, and that I was super tired and stuff. So I actually slept really well. I'm gonna leave the house around 7:30 so I can stop and get breakfast. I want to have a good breakfast because my test time is from 9 to 12:15. You do have breaks in between if you want. You don't have to take them. I don't know if I will take them. I'll obviously get back to you guys on that one afterwards. Current feelings? I'm scared. I'm really nervous. I know the information, but I'm still freaking out. But it is what it is. If I have to retake it, then I have to retake it. I am trying not to freak out. I'm gonna go chill out. I'm going to not cram, just look over some of my study materials, head out the door, and go take this test, and I will see you guys later. So I had originally planned on getting a ton more vlog clips than just that, but the exam came up on me really fast and I didn't end up getting very many clips. But essentially, before I took the exam, I revamped my entire studying ways, and I actually did film a video a while ago on how I improved my studying and what I was doing and what I changed, which if you guys would like to see that, let me know. It's filmed. It hasn't been edited yet or uploaded, so if you guys would like to see that, let me know. I can definitely edit that for you guys and upload it. 90% of the things I studied weren't actually on it. There was stuff that was stressed in the study books and in our classes from our professors and stuff that wasn't even on it. Now, I can't tell you exactly what was on it because they do make you sign a contract saying you're not going to tell anyone and stuff, and you do have to go to a specialized testing center. If you tell people what is on the exam and everything like that, they can actually revoke your credential. You don't want that. But how the exam takes place is it is in 4 40-minute increments. There are 200 questions in total, 50 in each block, and you are offered a break in between. I, however, did not take all my breaks. I did the tutorial, block 1, block 2, and then I took a break, and for my break, I literally took 3 minutes to pee. And then I went back in and did blocks 3 and 4, and I also did the survey at the end. And I honestly feel that doing both sections at once really helped because I kind of got into a roll. What's really great about it is that you can strike out answers and and flag them. So like if you can't answer it at that moment, you can flag it and go back to it, which is what I did with a ton. You can also write notes, which is what I did. Like if I knew one of the definitions, I would write it in one of the notes just so I had it there. And obviously I would cross off answers that I knew were not correct right off the top of my head. But having it set up this way definitely helped. There's also a timer that tells you how much time you have left for that block, as well as how much time you have left for the day. So you get a 3-hour and 15-minute testing window, which includes the 4 40-minute sections, the 15-minute tutorial, as well as your breaks in between. So your total day time is the entire 3 hours and 15 minutes, and then you have your block time, which is only 40 minutes. And so you can see both of those, and I definitely kept checking quite frequently, so then I would know if I needed to go back and check my flagged questions. But that is just a general rundown of how it was set up and how it was. I actually did a poll over on my Instagram about a week ago asking how many of you guys thought I passed and how many of you guys thought I failed. And 90% said I passed, 10% said that I failed. The moment you have all been waiting for, I did in fact pass, and I am officially a credentialed certified medical assistant through the American Association of Medical Assistants, and I couldn't be prouder. I am so happy, and I'm so glad I can finally say it and that I can say I passed. This is one of those moments where like I'm okay with bragging about it. But before I even took the exam, I told very few people for the simple fact that I was so scared that I was not going to pass, and I didn't want to have to tell people that I'm taking the exam this day, oh my god, yay, and then have to come out and explain to them that I didn't pass, because that's a really crappy feeling. I thought that once you answered the last question, your results would automatically pop up, but I was wrong. You actually end up doing a survey for them, and the second you answer the last question on the survey is when a screen pops up letting you know if you passed or failed. Now with this, you do get a pass or fail right on the spot, and then later on down the road you get your official scores. And let me tell you, I knew the screen was going to be popping up telling me my results, and I literally sat there with my hands covering my eyes for a good 5 minutes because I was too scared to look up and look at my results. And then I finally did it. I looked up at my results and I saw the 4-letter P word that said pass, and I literally had tears in my eyes. I was super excited. And then when you leave the testing center, they give you a printout with your results on it that say if you passed or failed, and having that piece of paper that says pass is such a good feeling. This was a monumental moment for me. It was a huge milestone in my education and my career because it's obviously a combination of both of them. And this essentially marks the end of one chapter and the beginning of another, and it is honestly such a good feeling. So those are the results. I am officially a credentialed certified medical assistant, and I absolutely cannot believe it. I am so proud of myself. I am so happy, and now I can't wait to get a full-time job as a certified medical assistant. If you guys like this video and would like to see more CMA related videos, let me know down below. While you guys are down there, be sure to hit that subscribe button to become part of our little family here. I do a ton of different videos. Also, be sure to hit that notification bell. That way you're notified every time I upload a new video. I hope you guys like this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.